this is my first paper airplane. It's not an airplane, but it still flies. So it's called the tube, and it's like a circle. And how it works is that when you throw it, the air around it helps it like glide through. And then I added a little passenger inside this one over here. And so that's how this one works. So this is my second one. This is actually like a paper airplane, and it's called the Susan. And in this one, it has a pointy nose, so it can rip through the air, and that like makes the air go like to the sides. Like if there's a column of air, it rips through, so it can make two sides that go around it. Then the air goes onto these, which makes it help glide onto these wings, and they have to be big so it can glide through. And on this one, there's a little chair that goes with the passenger. Thanks for watching. If you liked my paper airplanes, please vote for me. Bye!